How to prep for a holiday craft fair in 48 hours. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sharon and I am an artist from Canada. Today I am walking through a calm, realistic, step-by-step guide for prepping and presenting at a holiday craft fair, even when you're short on time. I usually sell stickers and prints, so I'll focus on what work for those items while pointing out display details that I notice around the market that you can borrow for your own booth. Step 1. Start with your best sellers and quick inventory. The first thing is to not invent new products. Start by listing what you already have that sells. In my case, it will be sticker sheets, small sticker packs, 5x7 and 8x10 prints. When time is tight, keep it to the proven sellers and make sure they're easy to grab. If you can, separate items into 3 piles. Ready to sell, quick make, and no time. Focus on the first 2. That way your energy goes straight to items that will actually move. Step 2. Plan your table layout, height, zones, and flow. Next, plan your table layout around height and zones. I arrange in 3 bands, high in the back, a mid focal point, and easy grab low items in front. Height pulls the eyes across the whole table, while low items let people touch and decide quickly. Perfect for stickers. For prints, use a single vertical rack or a neat stack on a riser so you don't look buried. Around the craft fair, there are multiple tier displays that you can see that gives really good example of how vertical display really adds to the market rather than everything sitting flat. It's just not as appealing for shoppers. Step 3. Lighting and texture. Making it cozy. Lighting is a tiny investment with massive payoffs. Warm fairy lights, clip-on LED angle down, and a small lantern or 2 can make everything feel cozy. And in winter markets, cozy means people linger. Pair the warm lights with texture, let's say a simple knit runner, a wooden tray, or a bit of false pine. Make sure not to over decorate. The props should frame your products, not fight them for attention. Step 4. Signage and pricing. Makes decision easier. Clear signage is a kindness to busy shoppers. Use one big sign for your shop name and a few small signs that say exactly what people want to buy. Let's say stickers, $3 to $5 for single or $10 a pack, or prints that are 5x7 or 8x10 are $8 to $15. Also, signs like gifts under $20 make it easy for shoppers to focus. Readable, friendly, and honest. Bundle pricing is your friend as well. A simple 3 cards for $12 or a sticker pack or cards together combo for $15 help reduce any internal debate, and shoppers don't want to think too hard at a holiday market given it's pretty overstimulating already. Step 5. Feature the touchable items like stickers in the front, or maybe small knit toys or key charms in the front. Stickers are tactile impulse buys, they belong in the front. Arranging small items in a shallow tray in the front or on a low tier can be very helpful. Small items like cup warmers in wooden trays in the front that are priced at affordable and accessible pricing are great buys for people to start engaging with your table. Step 6. Gift ready packaging and bundles. Wrap a little packaging into your prep. Red tissue, craft paper, twine, or easy thank you sticker makes a purchase feels like a present. For stickers and prints, you can pre-make them into bundles with like sticker packs, mini prints, or like card bundles. Pre-packaging these bundles helps save time and sell instantly. Wrapping a little package into your prep can be really helpful. Let's say if you have baked goods, have them in like a pre-packaging that is very Christmassy, makes the purchase feel like a present. Pre-packaging also helps save time and help you sell more readily. If you only have time for one finishing touch, make it a theme sticker label or a small holiday tag. It makes the item feel thoughtful with almost no extra work. Step 7. Quick restock strategy and lean inventory. When you're prepping fast, Don't overproduce. Bring lean inventory of your best sellers and a simple restock plan. Keep a small box behind the table with extras. Not everything needs to be on display. If a design is selling out, move a near identical design forward, and if something isn't moving by mid-show, turn it into a bundle or discount it slightly to free up space and cash. Step 8. Watch the flow. Shopper behavior and approachability. Spend the first 30 minutes watching how people move through the aisles. Do they stop at tall displays? Are they drawn to tables with lights? Position your featured products where people naturally glance first. Be approachable but calm. A simple "Hi, everything's priced here. Let me know if any question" is good enough. People buy for someone who seems present and kind. You don't need to sell aggressively. Quick troubleshooting essentials to pack. A few essentials you'll be glad you brought include tape, scissors, extra phone charger, small cash float, your card reader, pens, clamps, and a few spare clips. Tape and clips fix so many tiny disasters. If you can, bring a small wet cloth to wipe surfaces and a neat trash bag tucked out of sight. And bring water and a light snack because it's also important to take care of yourself as well. Here's the final wrap up. So that is the step-by-step, calm way I prep and present at a holiday craft market with a tight timeline. Focus on bestsellers, make shopping easy, use warm lighting and tidy zones, and add one small gift-ready touch to every sale. As always, if you like the content on this channel, I would appreciate it very much if you would consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Well, that's it for today. Happy crafting, and I hope your market goes well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.